Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm in Twickenham. I'm going to visit a shop. It's called Sea Fresh and Wok. It's in Twickenham. That side is Twickenham station over there. It's very close to the Twickenham station. So let's go inside and check. Yes, this is the shop. They are very specialist in making these burgers, especially chicken burgers and all. What is this, my friend?
Last one.
Hot fish.
Oh, what fish?
There goes the fries for hot fish. Hot fish.
Medium, large, and small.
Oh, all the sizes.
Yeah, all sizes. Yeah.
Hot fish, French fries. So, my friend,
Halloumi cheese, halloumi.
halloumi cheese.
Yes, Greek.
So, what are you mixing with?
With rice corn powder.
And this? And this?
And it's butter mix. Butter mix.
Okay.
Yes, cheese. Now you have to put oil, fryer, like this.
This is called halloumi.
Halloumi. Halloumi cheese. Yes.
Ready?
Yeah. And we have to do now all mayo. Then the fried onion and chives.
Yummy.
Hot honey. Okay. Look, we do now honey with hot honey chicken burger.
Oh, this is the
Honey sauce.
honey sauce.
Hot honey.
Hot honey, yeah?
Yes.
I'm telling you, my friends, they are very special in this burger. They have a good record.
Hot honey. It's called Sobe burger.
So,
American. Put this box. Close it. You lay here like that.
this is hot
Honey chicken.
chicken sauce, right? The preparation for
Ketchup.
burgers. What is this, my friend?
It's confit garlic cheeseburger. Confit garlic chicken burger.
Okay.
Is the garlic sauce. Hi. Gherkin. The gherkin. Lettuce.
This?
Fried onion.
Oh, fried onion. Here goes everything, friends. Look at that burger. Thank you. look at that. So juicy. Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank
Zakaria.
you.
This is Mr.
Thank you for your
Zakaria,
coming.
he's the boss. So anyone welcome.
Yes, big chef.
Yeah.
Chef.
Thank you very much, big chef.
Yeah, big chef. Grande chef. Grande chef.